Today, I'm gonna see if ChatGPT can help me design a Roblox logo. Hopefully, it can give me some advice and kind of guide me along. Let's go ahead and find out. Alright, to have some good manners, I think we should start by asking, hello, how are you doing today? Alright, well, I suppose that is good enough. I want to design a Roblox game logo. Do you think you will be able to help me with the design process? Alright, okay, this is good so far. What is the name of our game? Give me a list of five ideas for a Roblox game title. Alright, so we got a couple ideas here. I think I'm gonna go with Mythic Realms. I think my game will be called Mythic Realms. Can you help me create a color palette as well as conceptualize particular elements and assets for the logo? Alright, so we got a color palette here. Deep blue, moss green, gold. Alright, let's begin. I think I'm going to use a font called Wild Breath of Zelda. Let's change our background color. I'm going to type Mythic right here. It's kind of laggy, but it's okay. I'm gonna head over to colors.co and see what kind of colors we can grab here. So a deep blue. Let's go ahead and change the color. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit the like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Check out our store and take care.